Good morning, children. Today we are going to continue the explanation part of the lesson Thunder Cake, written by Patricia Polacco. All of you open your second chapter Thunder Cake. Open page number 15 in your textbooks. In our previous class, we have completed till here. Till here we have completed. See, I helped myself so to some eggs. The lightning flashed again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I counted. 9 miles, grandma reminded me. When this child helped to pick up some eggs from the hen, and then again the lightning has flashed. So she counted 1 to 9 numbers slowly, and at that time grandma reminded her that the thunder was 9 miles away from their place. Come to the continuation part. Milk. Milk was next. Milk from old Kick Cow as grandma milked her. Kick Cow turned and looked mean right at me. I was scared. She looked so big. First, to prepare thunder cake, they are taking ingredients. First ingredients they have collected is eggs, and now they have to collect milk. Milk was next item they are collecting is milk. Milk from old Kick Cow. This is this one. I will show you the picture. This one is the old Kick Cow. It will kick. It will beat with legs. Okay. Milk from old Kick Cow as grandma milked her. See here. Grandma is taking milk from this old cow. Kick Cow turned and looked mean right at me. See, this old cow is looking at this child when grandma is taking milk from this cow. I was scared. See here. This girl was so scared. She is looking so scared towards this old cow. She looked so big. This old cow is looking so big to this child. Zip went the lightning. Again here they are seeing it's lightning. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I counted to myself. The child counted 1 to 8 numbers to herself. Bharum went the thunder. Now the thunder went. 8 miles child. The grandma is again remembering the child. The thunder is 8 miles far away from them. Grandma croaked. Grandma croaked. Here croaked means make a characteristic deep hear her sound. Okay. Now we have to get chocolate and sugar and flour from the dry shed. Now they have collected eggs and milk. Now they have to get chocolate and sugar and flour from the dry shed. Here dry shed means process of making or becoming dry. Okay. I was scared as we walked down the path from the farmhouse through tangleweed. Here tangleweed means to mix together. Tangleweed woods to the dry shed. Suddenly the lightning slit the sky. Again they heard the lightning sound suddenly. Again the child is counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The child is counting the numbers. Boom, bah, boom, crashed the thunder. It scared me a lot, but I kept walking with grandma. The thunder scared the child a lot, but she did not stop walking with her grandma. She kept on walking along with the grandma. Another jagged edge of lightning flashed as I crept into the dry shed. Here, the child is saying another jagged edge. Here, jagged edge means something that is rough or uneven in shape. Another jagged edge of lightning. The lightning, which is uneven in shape, flashed as I crept into the dry shed. As she entered into the dry shed, again she is counting 1 to 6 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Crackle, crackle, boom, kaboom. The thunder bellowed. Here we can see the meaning of bellowed. Bellowed means shouted loudly. The thunder shouted loudly. It was dark and I was scared. It was dark at that place and the child was so scared at that loud noise. I am here, child, Grandma said softly from the doorway. From the doorway, the grandma is saying, I'm here. Come here, child. Hurry now, we have not got much time. We have got everything but the secret ingredients. Here they bought everything to prepare thunder cake. Everything but the secret in the ingredients. Here ingredients means foods or substances that are combined to make a particular dish. Okay. See. 3 overripe tomatoes and some strawberries. 3 overripe tomatoes and some strawberries. Grandma whispered. Whispered means murmur softly as she squinted at the list. Here squinted means have eyes that look in different directions. Grandma is asking to get overripe tomatoes, 3 overripe tomatoes and some strawberries. I climbed up high on the trellis. Here trellis means we can see the meaning a light frame made of crossed bars of wood or metal used as a support for climbing plants. Okay. I climbed up high on the trellis. The ground looked a long way down. I was scared. She climbed up the trees and the ground looked so much of distance is there between the ground and the child as she is on the plant. She climbed up the trees. I was scared. The child was scared. I'm here, child, she said. The grandma is saying, I'm here. Her voice was steady and soft. You won't fall. The grandma is saying with steady and soft voice, you won't fall, child. I'm here. I reached for 3 luscious tomatoes while she picked strawberries. I reached for 3 luscious tomatoes. Here luscious means containing a lot of juice. Tomatoes while she picked strawberries. Lightning again. It's lightning again. And the child started counting 1, 2, 3, 4. I counted. Kabang. Bhuarum. The thunder growled. The thunder growled. Children, we will continue the continuation part in the next class. Okay, children? Bye all of you.